Yeah, buddy, here we go. They try to stack him up 3 wide. Clanton jumps out in front real quick. Lamar Haygood up into that number 4 position on our Coca-Cola scoreboard. Over in turn number 3, Sean Chastain. He is a former track champion. Keep your eye on him. Don't ever count him out here at Dixie. Jake Knowles, Lamar Haygood, a good battle going on for 4th and 5th position. Here comes Jake. Jake on the run. He moves up into that number 4 spot in front of Haygood. Jason Croft, Justin Shipley, Sean Chastain, Aaron Ridley, all in there together. And now that number 99 of Derek Ellis. Putting the heat on the youngster. Cass Fowler down on the backside. He gets around him for the 2nd spot. And he's got one thing on his mind. Get that car in front of him. Shane Clanton in that number 25 as they head down the backside. Clanton with a big lead. 40 laps. Can he keep it up? Caution, caution, caution over in turn number 2. And it's the number 3 car of Luther Jenkins. Comes Buster Goss and the 07 car of Matt Helbing out of Rome. We're going to fire him up. Light them candles up, baby. Look at Jake Knowles down on that bottom. He's digging like an old farm-all tractor, trying to get around Cass Fowler. Haygood, he goes to the high side. They're 3 wide, and there goes Shipley. Shipley in the 08 car, flying the old Dale Earnhardt Wrangler colors. Justin Shipley in that number 6 spot. And he is on the high side. Shane Clanton, your World of Outlaws world champion, continues to pick him up and put him down. Derek Ellis, I guarantee you at the end of 40 laps, he's going to be there. Keep your eye on him. And look at Jake Knowles in the number 3 spot in front of Fowler. Buster Goss, he'll bring out the yellow laundry. So it looks like God. See if Jake gonna keep her up high, or he gonna go down low. Here come Fowler and Ridley. There goes Croft on the high side. Shipley, he works the bottom beautifully. Man, I gotta tell you, Shane Clanton been feeding them horses real good. Getting them ready for the Spring Short Track Championship here tonight. 12 laps on the board. We're going for 40. Hopefully those horses ain't gonna be wore out tonight. Cass Fowler still digging like an old farmall tractor. He and Justin Shipley pretty much wheel to wheel, hub to hub, and doorpost to doorpost. Shipley up high, Fowler down low. Here comes Sean Chastain, Lamar Haygood. Jason Croft in the Graham and Turner car up on the high side as he is hanging on to that number 4 spot. Aaron Ridley right behind him. Then comes Justin Shipley in the 08 car trying to improve on that spot one more time. Brand new Barry Wright car, I believe. Leader Shane Clanton now coming up into traffic, and Derek Ellis out of Chatsworth, Georgia, going to get the opportunity to make up a little ground on your leader Shane Clanton. That's exactly what's happening right now. Ellis on the move. Tries to get her, got to get around to number 19 first. Whoa! Talk about threading the needle. Clanton just dove in right between Wayne Eccles and Dale Thurman. Just flat drove between them. 24 laps complete. Got to go 16 more. Great late models in the pit, gentlemen. I need you rolling. Best I can get, looks like maybe Clanton maybe got about a 2.5, 3-second lead over the 99 car of Derek Ellis, and we still got, what, 14 more laps to go. I got to tell you, I told you Derek Ellis is going to be there at the end, and he's just about there. I think he might be trying to play catch up with the World of Outlaws world champion Shane Clanton. Sean Chastain, he'll pull in. Ten laps to go for the number 25 car. Out of Zebulon, Georgia. Jake Knowles taking her to the high side. Got a pretty good lead over the 4-spot car of Jason Croft. They've got a good run going. Tell you what, that 99 is coming, y'all. He is coming, and he is right there. Clanton has got traffic in front of him. Shipley, he pulls to the high side. Derek Ellis, he is right there. Woo-hoo! Here we go. I don't know if that number 25 is going to be able to starve off that number 99. He's working the bottom. Boy, this is getting hairy. Oh, the Twin Towers going up for Shane Clanton. He's taking the short way around this racetrack now. Whoa! White flag. This is it. This is the money left. I think he can breathe a sigh of release now because there's a lot of cars between he and the number 99 of Derek Ellis. Checkered flag coming down for the number 25 of Zebulon, Georgia. Shane Clanton, Derek Ellis, Jake Knowles. Jason Croft, and here comes Aaron Ridley. So Shane Clanton kept it all together.